is our room, 4121 in Liberty Lara. The bathroom's here on the left hand side, quite nicely proportioned. The bath could do with a little bit of renovating. It's quite, yeah, it's in better days, but it's okay. Tea, coffee, plenty of outlets. There's a fridge at the bottom here. Soft drinks, which are all included in your all-inclusive. And Angie's over there. Beds are nice and comfy, really nice and comfy. You've got plenty of decent pillars. And this is the partial sea view that we can see out. Bit restricted view on the balcony. It's only a very small balcony. We're overlooking obviously the service buildings down here, but if you looked to the left of where the front of the hotel is, you can see the mountains up there. The weather's been absolutely atrocious over the last couple of days. We've had lots of rain, thunderstorms, lightning, thunder and lightning last night. And if you look down here to the right, you can see over the top of the tennis courts, down the side of the building, there's a limited sea view. It's starting to brighten up. It's supposed to be nice now for the next couple of days, so hopefully I'll get some more filming in. See you later.